Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to set light and dark mode in website. Okay, see here, this is simple project. In this project I created some text content and one button. Read here, switch to dark theme. If I click the button, this page getting dark. This text also change, right? Now I click this button, switch to light theme. This page getting light. Now I will explain how to do this project in React. Okay, I already installed a Reactor. Now I will explain how to code it. Okay, close this tab. Okay, I already set up everything. I deleted unwanted files. Now I create some text, small text. I'm using paragraph tag. Okay, hi, this is simple project. Okay, and then I have to create one button. So I'm using button tag. Right, inside a button, I give some text for testing purpose. Okay, now going to check this button is created or not. Right, the text and button is displayed, right? So next, let's start to write logic. Okay, initially I create one use state hook. Okay, so const I have to set on a state variable. Just write theme. Theme is a use state variable, and then I have to define the function state function to update the state variable. Set theme, and then put equal, and then here I have to mention state. Okay, before using this hook we have to uh, import use state from React. Okay, so import use state from React. Okay, sorry, I made one small mistake. We have to initial use state after function. Okay, now I have to initially set some value for the theme. Okay, initially I set light. Okay, and then here I have to write logic for the button text. Okay, here h2 first I will write the code and then I will explain after. Okay, here I'm using ternary operator. Okay, if current theme is light means we have to change which to dark mode, right? So I type dark, or if the condition is false mean we have to uh, update theme in light. If the theme is light means we have to change the button text switch to dark theme. Suppose the theme is light dark means we have to change switch to light mode. Okay. Okay, that's all. What is the error? Setting. Okay, here I will explain clearly. Suppose the theme is light means how the button will be switched to dark mode. Suppose the button the website is dark mode means you have to switch to light mode, right? So that I implement this code. Go and check. Uh, yeah, see here. Here initially page is light mode, right? So here switch to dark. This text will be displayed, right? Now I will change state variable. Okay, here I type dark. Now I go and check. Uh, if state variable dark means the button will be display switch to light. Suppose state variable light means the button display switch to dark. This is how this logic is working, right? Okay, next we have to create function. When I click the button, that time some function will happen, right? That time some page getting dark or light, right? So I have to write function for that operation. So on click attribute, on click I'm using on click attribute, and then I have to call function, right? I write some function name toggle theme. This is the function. Now I have to implement this function. So here I am implementing const. What is the function name? Toggle theme. This is the function. Now I'm using arrow function. Inside a function I have to write logic for this dark and light mode. Here also I am using a ternary operator. Uh, here I update this function, okay, useState function. So I if mentioned function inside a function I write I'm using arrow function, okay. Here current theme dark means we have to change light mode, right? Current theme dark means we have to button display switch to light mode. If I click the button means the page getting light, right? So for current theme what dark, okay. Okay, here current theme light means I have to update dark, right? Suppose current theme dark means I have to change light. Okay. Okay, here also will change actually the light mode only page. Okay, now I have to add CSS styles, so I'm open CSS file. I already created some default styles. Now I already have some styles, so I just paste here. Now go and check. Okay, styles are applied, right? Okay, now I click the button. The text only change, right? The background color not change. So you have to update the class name dynamically. You have to update this class name dynamically. Okay, now we will see how to update dynamically. So just I remove this class name. I put curly braces. Inside curly braces I put this code, and then I type app. Okay, and then I have to put dollar symbol. Just again I put curly braces. Inside a curly braces I have to type theme. Here I have here I change class name dynamically. Okay, suppose the theme values light means the class name also light. The theme value is dark means the class name value also dark. Okay, now you go and check it's working or not. Refresh the page. If I click the button, yeah, this page getting dark. Okay, okay, now I will give overview. Okay, this is app command. Okay, this app command return paragraph, some text and then one button. See here, text and button. Okay, here I wrote some logic. If initially theme value what theme value is light. Okay, initially theme value is light. So if theme value light means the text will be switched to dark. See here, initially the theme is light, right? The text what switch to dark, button text switch to dark. Okay, suppose the theme value dark means what? See here, theme value dark means the button text will be switch to light. See here, the page dark means the button text is switch to the light. Okay, next once I click the button I have to call some function. Okay, if I click the button the theme will be changed, right? I did that things in this function. In this function I update themes. I update themes. Okay, here set theme initial value what light. If the current theme light means I have to change to dark. Okay, suppose the current theme is dark means I have to change into light. Okay, so see here, if I click the button the theme is changed, right? Once I update the state function, the function update to a state variable. Okay, Suppose initially the state variable value is light, right? Here class name also light. So these styles are all applied in app component. That these styles are all applied in app component. Okay, because the initially the class name is light, right? Suppose if I click the button, means the class name will be changed, because I change the function value. If a light means I change it to into dark. Once I update the function update the variable. Okay, so the current theme light means I change it into dark. Oh, so the set theme function value is dark. This function update the state variable. Now the variable value is dark. Now here the class name also changed dark. This is how this project is working. This is CSS file. Okay, if class name dark means these styles are applied. Suppose the class name light means these styles are applied. Here we are mentioned HTML. HTML means this file. This is the main file, and this file have one empty container. This container contain one ID, have one ID. ID name is root. Here we are mentioned HTML file and then body. This is body, right? And then we are mentioning root. Root means what? This container ID. Okay, and then dot up. These styles are all applied to these elements. Okay, so that this page getting dark and light mode. That's all, guys.